Tafadhali tusimame sasa, tusimame wote.
Mwathani ekuga atiriri ni kuriuka na ni moyo uria yogethenio na akua no agatura moyo na mundu othimu yake oka nie ndari hingo agakua. Ni tuhoe. We Mwathani ni twakuhoya utume ndungata yaku iria ikuite Consolata Wanjiru Mwaura itonye gikao-ini kia utheri na thayu uria miundu wake twakungwira igongona riri ria sakramenti ya Pasaka. Twahoya uguo miundu wa Kristo Mwathani witu. Mwathani aroikara na inyue, Ngai kihoti yothe amurathime, Ithe, Mwana na Muoyo Mutheru.
Chini ya kubariki. Na wale wako na tributes, tafadhali ujiandae.
Twihokete thiini wa Ngai ni twahoya hamwe miundu wa Consolata Wanjiru na riu ni twakinya gitio kia mwisho. Tuli na ihoru ria gutigana no ni undu nitwomiriirio ni mwihoko wa ati muthenya umwe nitukona Consolata ringi na tukenerere urata witu nake. Ona gutuika ati nitutiganite turi na kiha, tha cia Ngai ni itucokerere hamwe ringi thiini wa gikeno kia uthamaki wake. Waguo rekei tumaniririe o mundu na uria ungi ni undu wa witikia witu thiini wa Kristo. Atheru a Ngai ukai mumuteithie, araika a Mwathani tu Ngai muoyo wa mutigaire mumutware kuri uria wi iguru muno. Kristo uria ugwitite me agutware gwake, nao araika magutware githuri-ini kia Abraham magutware kuria wi iguru muno. Baba witu wi iguru,
Mwirendo wega Mwathani ari nawe, uyore murathime reka othe na Yesu mwana wa ndaku ni murathime. Maria mutheru nyina wa Ngai. Salamu Maria, umejaa neema, Bwana yu nawe, umebarikiwa kuliko wanawake wote, na Yesu mzao wa tumbo lako mbarikiwa. Maria mtakatifu mama wa Mungu, utuombee sisi wakosefu sasa na saa.
Atukuzwe Baba na Mwana na Roho Mtakatifu. Umunegere Mwathani Consolata kihuruko gitathiraga
na utheri wa hingo ciothe na mutheragie
mwamũramo-inĩ wa irĩhĩro arohuruka ũhoro
ni gutuike.
Mwathani ethigira ihoya rĩakwa, Mwathani aroikara na inyuĩ, ni tuhoe. Mwathani ni twagutigira muoyo wa Consolata Wanjiru Mwaura maitho-ini ma thĩ ĩno, rĩu nĩ akuĩte, ũthiĩ-inĩ waku arotura mĩndĩ na mĩndĩ. Muohere mawĩhia marĩa aneka nĩ ũndũ wa ũhũthũ wa ũmũndũ wake. Thĩinĩ wa wega waku ũmũhe thayũ ũtathiraga, na twahoya ũguo nĩ ũndũ wa Kristo Mwathani na Mũhonokia witũ.
Choir one song. Tunaweza keti ya wengine, choir one song.
Thank you very much. Asanteni sana kwa utulivu wenu wakati tumekuwa na ibada ya misa. Tunaweza kujipigia makofi sisi wote. Well done, well done. Tunaingia awamu ya mwisho ya kumzidikisha mama, labda ya pili kutoka mwisho, na ni wakati ambapo tunataka kusikiliza tributes. We want to listen to a few tributes from the siblings, from the brothers and sisters, and then one from the grandchildren, and another one from the great-grandchildren. Kutoa risala zake kwa niaba ya brothers zake na sisters. Karibu.
Mungu ni mwema. I'm going to read this tribute on behalf of my brothers and sisters. Today, we chose to honor Consolata Wanjiru, a remarkable woman, a true mother and grandmother to all of us, whom we fondly referred to as Mokoro. You loved us and nurtured us unconditionally, filling the family gap that Dad left with so much grace and selfishness. We recognize the role you played in maintaining harmony and binding us together. We fondly remember the many vacations we enjoyed with you, and despite your age differences with us, you always enjoyed our company, even when we stayed up very late at night. At home, not a day you ever went to bed before any of us. In the last and kindness, you comforted us despite the pain you were experiencing. We thank God that we surrounded you with our love during your very...
Mwingine, ako wapi? Yep.
And all the time, this is a tribute to our grandmother. Today, as your grandchildren, we gather with heavy hearts but also with gratitude as we remember you, Shosho. At the very beginning, but over time, you became part of our family, the family that you knew, the family that you gathered with, and the family that you grew up in. And in that way, you became part of us. We remember you, Shosho, in the moment that truly mattered, the times when the whole family came together, during holidays, visits, and especially during vacations. There were always special feelings of togetherness. Those were the moments filled with laughter, story, shared meals, and simple joy. We did not always realize it then, but those are the memories that we hold closest. We cherish those vacation memories, the journeys, and the times that laughters that fill the air. The comfort begins to surround us during family hours. You are there for those moments, Shosho. And you are to say much, but you always knew that you are there. There was the quiet warmth in your presence, something steady and reassuring that made you part of the rhythm of our family. Each of us experienced you in our own ways, but we all remember you for someone who valued peace, who cherished herself with dignity, who carried herself with dignity, and who related with others with kindness and understanding. Shosho, you showed us that family is not just about how it begins, but about the people who step in, stay, and become part. You became part of our story, and through that, are part of our lives. We will remember you for the simple things and the simple way that you sat with us. The way where you were present during our family moments, and the way you existed within our spaces without the need of attention. Those are the moments we have now as meaningful in eternal rest. Shosho, you will be remembered for the love, the respect, and the gratitude. Rest in peace, Shosho.
We got to know your life. Thank you for loving us with food, with stories, and with faith. Your house was home to the whole village because your
gone smooth because you used it so much. Now you are with the God you trusted. Shosho, your name means comfort, and you comforted us all. We promise to live kindly.
love you.
Let's appreciate them. Wait until you are told to come here and speak to such multitude. In fact, they have really tried. Tuwapigia makofi tena. So we are cost sharing, not cost sharing, co-chair.